Good morning, students. Today, I'm going to explain the concept of estimation, also known as round off. So, no one will write. Listen to me very, very carefully. After that, I will give you time for writing. Fine. First is round off to the nearest tens. Tens. In 10, we have how many zeros? Quickly write down in the chat box. In 10, you will observe how many zeros? Only one. Yes, very good response. Now, 1. 1 means one's place only. It means you will select, this is ones, tens, hundreds. So you will select ones place digit only. Why only 1? Because in 10 we have 1 0. Now this is the selection. You have to solve the sum with complete explanation. First of all, selection, 1 digit only. Why 1? Because in 10 we have only 1 0. Second step. In the second step, you will compare your selection with 5, always with 5. Now, tell me, what about this 9? 9 is bigger than 5, equal to 5 or less than 5. What about this selection? Yes, 9 is bigger than 5. This is your second step. Okay? Now, if the selection is bigger than 5, then immediately next digit of selection जिसको आपने select किया है, अगर वो 5 से greater है, तो उसका जो next place है, immediately next place jump by 1 plus 1. It means this 3 will change to 4 and there will be no change here. Change only in the immediately next digit and there will be no change here. This is 4. This 3 will change to 4 and selection always change to 0. So what is the result? The result is 440. Keep in your mind, first of all, selection. If the selection is bigger than 5, then the immediately next place digit will jump by 1 and selection always change to 0. Fine. Now, I am going to give one more example. This is first, come to the second. 433. This is next. Round up to nearest tens. Again, the question is round up to nearest tens. Now, what is the first step? Yes, students, quickly write down in the chat box. What is the first step if the question is based on selection? Yes. Raghav, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the first step?
Ma'am, we will select the three.
Yes, we will select ones place digit. This is ones, tens, hundreds. You will select ones place digit. Okay, this is 3. Now, what is the second step? Mehak, tell me the second step.
Ma'am, in second step, we will see that the number is smaller or bigger than 5.
Or equal to also. Sometimes you will observe equal to also. If
Okay,
the
ma'am.
is equal to 5 now, then you will apply the same rule. This rule is applicable to digit greater than 5 or equal to 5. Now here 3 is less than 5. If the selection is less than 5, then there will be no change in the immediately next digit. No change. Fine. So this
Ma'am,
is
result is
the
430.
result. You will write 430. Fine. Wait, students. Yes, students. So what is the result? Result is 430. If the selection is less than 5, then there will be no change in the immediately next digit, and selection always change to 0. This thing keep in your mind. जिसको आपने select किया है उसने 101% किसमें change होना है? 0 में. Okay? चाहे वो bigger than है, चाहे वो less है. Now note down. After that I will explain round off to nearest hundreds. After writing update me, then I will explain round off to the nearest hundreds. बेटा अगर आपको राउंड ऑफ करना आ गया तो ये सम्स एक्सरसाइज 1.3 is very easy for you. Then you will face no problem. Now, next, same sum I am going to explain. 439s, ones, tens, 100. Okay. Now tell me, in 100 you have how many zeros? I will explain all the sums by same method so that you will face no problem in future. Yes, in 100 we have 2 zeros. It means here you will select 2 digits. Tens में 1 0 होता है, you will select 1 digit. 100 में you will observe 2 zeros, so you will select 2 digits, ones, tens. Fine. Now, this is 39. This is 39, huh? Selection is 39. So, start from 3. Start from, this is 39, start from 3. So compare this 3 with 5. You will not compare 9 with 5. Under the selection we have 39. So this is 3, 9, 39, start from 3. So you will compare this 3 by 5. Now, what about this 3? 3 is less than 5. You have to mention each and every step. Okay? You have to mention each and every step. Yes, Pavani? Yes. Now tell me, if the selection is less than 5, is there any change in the immediately next digit? Quickly write down in the chat box. Very good, very good. No. So, no. So, in the result, you will write, this is 4 and selection. मैंने आपको first question में ही बता दिया था. Selection always change to 0. In the selection, we have 2 digits. So both digits will change to 0. So 400 is the result. So like this, you will solve the sum. This is 439. Under the selection, we have 39. So compare this 3. Always compare the highest place with 5. Highest place is tens, ones, tens. So if the digit is less than 5, then there will be no change in the immediately next, and selection always change to 0. Write down. After that, I will explain next. Now next we have round off to nearest thousands. Round off to nearest thousands. Okay. Now the question is 8,335. This is the question. Round off to nearest thousands, and this is 8,335. Raiman, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the first step?
Ma'am, first we will do the selection, and ma'am, we will select the numbers from the place hundreds to end of the ones.
Yes, very good. Why? What is the reason? What is the
Ma'am, because we
yes?
ma'am, because we are round offing nearest thousands.
Yes, and in thousands you will observe how many zeros? 3 zeros.
Zeros.
Yes, in thousands we have 3 zeros, so we will select 3 digits: ones, tens, hundreds. Fine. Now this is 335. Now Raymond, tell me, you will compare which digit with 5? You will compare this 3 with 5?
Yes, ma'am.
3 with 5 or this 5 with 5?
Ma'am, first 3.
First, yes,
At
highest place digit. This is ones, tens, hundreds. The highest place digit is 3. So this is 335 now. 335. Start from 3. So you will compare this 3. 3 is less than 5. If 3 is less than 5, then is there any change in the immediately next digit?
No, ma'am.
Yes. So in the result, you will write 8. And what about this selection?
Ma'am, we will write zeros in their places.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 5. Very good. Now note down. After that, one more, and then I will explain exercise. Now, give the heading round off to nearest hundreds, and the number is 56. Ones, tens. Ishpreet, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me, Ishpreet. The question is round off to nearest hundreds.
Ma'am, we will select the both the digits because there are 2 zeros and only 2 digits are given to. We will select both the digits.
Very good. ठीक है. अब इसके आगे तो कुछ बचा ही नहीं. हमने तो दोनों सेलेक्ट कर लिए. अब हम किसको राउंड ऑफ करें? इसके आगे तो कुछ है ही नहीं. ये देखो, जैसे मैंने इसको सेलेक्ट किया था तो इसके फर्दर 8 था, है ना? अब ये तो
Yes,
दोनों ही सिलेक्ट हो गए. यहाँ पे तो कोई डिजिट है ही नहीं. हम किसको +1 नो चेंज किसको करेंगे? टेल मी.
मैम हम 1 ऐड कर देंगे.
1 किस में ऐड करोगे? 1 यहाँ पे तो कुछ है ही नहीं. आपने ये दोनों को सिलेक्शन, आपके दोनों के दोनों डिजिट अंडर सिलेक्शन आ गए। ये मैं इसीलिए सम एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ, बुक में चाहे ऐसा सम नहीं है पर पेपर में तो आ ही सकता है ना। अब दोनों के दोनों डिजिट अंडर सिलेक्शन है। अब मैंने चेंजेस करने हैं इमीडिएटली नेक्स्ट में, तो इमीडिएटली नेक्स्ट में तो कुछ है ही नहीं। वेरी गुड अग्रिम, वेल डन। If we have no digit here, then put 0. Okay? Then put 0. क्योंकि हमने बेटा किसी ना किसी में तो हमने चेंज किस में करना है, immediately next में, but immediately next we have nothing, so we will put 0 here. Fine? Because you know na, at the highest place 0 has no value. So now we will compare Ishpreet 5 with 5 or 6 with 5.
5 with 5.
Very good. This is 56, so this 5. 5 is equal to 5. If
Ma'am, we so
one is equal to 5, then the rule is same as greater than. Okay? The immediately next digit increased by 1. So in the result, you will write 1 0 0. So this is the result. Okay, Ishpreet, clear?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now note down, students. After that, I will explain exercise 1.3. First of all, second question. Okay. After second question, I will explain question number first. Exercise 1.3. Question number 2. Give a rough estimation by rounding off to nearest hundreds and also a closer estimation by rounding off to nearest tens. Single question, but you will solve single question 2 times. One time by tens and second time by hundreds. So first of all, A part, 439 plus 334 plus 4317, and the heading is first of all to nearest tens. To nearest tens. Now students, listen to me very carefully. Stop writing everyone. Put your whole concentration on understanding the concept. First of all, you will not add. Plus doesn't mean कि आपने इसको plus कर देना है. No. As the question is based on round off, so first of all you will round off. उसके बाद plus करेंगे हम. Fine. Keep in your mind, one more time I am going to explain. If the question is based on round off, then first of all you will round off, after that you will add. Fine. Now, and the question is based on round off to nearest tens. So I am going to round off each and every part. So write here all the parts. First is 439. Second is 334. Next is 4317. Now, Harshika, unmute yourself. Bhavuk, video is off, so I will not involve you in the class. Agreem, unmute yourself. Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Now Agreem, tell me, the question is round off to nearest tens. तो सबसे पहले हमने हर एक पार्ट को नियरेस्ट 10 में राउंड ऑफ करना है. Tell me, what is the first step to round off 439 to nearest tens?
Ma'am, we will put a box on ma'am. Ma'am, there is 10, so we'll तो हम 9 के ऊपर एक बॉक्स बना देंगे.
You will not say we will put box, you will say we will select. Okay? Next time you will not say ma'am we will put box, you will say ma'am we will make the selection. We will select one digit. Okay, 9. Now, what is the next step? What is the next step?
Ma'am, then ma'am, we will compare.
We will compare this 9 by what?
Ma'am, by 5.
5. Now 9 is bigger than 5. Okay?
Bigger.
Yes. Now if 9 is bigger than 5, then what happened? Good, Praveen? Your reply is correct. Tell me. If the selection is bigger than 5, then क्या होता है? अगर हमारी सिलेक्शन 5 से बिगर है तो क्या होगा?
मैम अब हम चेंज करेंगे.
किसको चेंज करेंगे?
मैम
किसको चेंज करेंगे? 9 को चेंज करेंगे, 3 को चेंज करेंगे, 4 को चेंज करेंगे, किसको चेंज करेंगे?
मैम 3.
Yes, immediately next. This is immediately next plus 1 and there will be no change here. So in the result you will write 440. 440. Good. Now, Bhaumik, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, how can we change? How can we round off 334 to nearest tens?
Ma'am, we can select 4.
We can, nahi, we will select 4. Yes.
Yeah, we will select 4 and
That, what about next? This is a selection.
ma'am,
Then in the next step, this is
ma'am, we
selection.
will,
Yes, we will. What?
ma'am, what is greater? Ma'am, which is greater? Ma'am, we will find that.
Now we will compare this selection with 5.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
question is round up to the
5.
nearest
Ma'am,
10.
with 5.
So tens means only 1 0. So first of all selection, then compare this
with
selection with 5 and 4 is less than 5. Now if the selection is less than 5, then is there any...
there will be 0. This number will be 0.
And what about next?
Ma'am, next will remain 3 only.
Because a digit is less than 5. So 300.
Yes, ma'am.
Good efforts. Next, Amanpreet. Amanpreet, your video is off, so I will not involve you in the class. Hridaypreet, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, Hridaypreet, what about 4,317? The question is round up to the nearest tens.
Ma'am, first we will select 7.
Very good. Then,
Ma'am, then we will compare 7 with 5.
7 is less than 5 or greater than 5?
Greater than 5.
Greater than 5. So if the selection is greater than 5, then what will happen?
Ma'am, we will plus 1 to the next digit 1.
Yes, yes. Immediately next digit jump by 1. ये 1 है, ये किस में change हो जाएगा? 2 में. So 4320. 4320. Now you will add. Now add. So in the result, now add 440, 330 and 4320. Now add. So this is the result, 5090. Okay. And one more thing students, आपको जब मैं जर्नल रूल करवाऊंगी ना, राउंड ऑफ बाय द जर्नल रूल, तो आप ऑब्जर्व करोगे कभी कभी हमारे रिजल्ट्स बैक रिजल्ट से, जो आपकी बुक के बैक साइड पे रिजल्ट है, उससे मैच नहीं करेंगे. तो इट डजंट मीन्स कि हम गलत है या बुक वाले गलत है. वी बोथ आर करेक्ट. डिपेंड करता है जनरल रूल में वो राउंड ऑफ किससे करेगा. तो ये मत सोचना भी आपका आंसर रिजल्ट अगर वेरी कर गया तो हमारा रिजल्ट गलत है या बुक का रिजल्ट गलत है. राउंड ऑफ में कई आंसर आते हैं अलग अलग. यस रमनप्रीत, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
हाँ जी बोलो बेटा.
मैम ये जो आपने 334 वाला मैम करवाया, मैम इसका पहले आपने कंपेयर करवाया. मैम जब प्लस करते हैं तो फिर 1 प्लस नहीं होगा?
नहीं होगा. जब डिजिट 5 से लेस है तो नहीं प्लस होता. अगर डिजिट 5 है या ग्रेटर देन 5 है तब प्लस होता है.
थैंक यू मैम.
Now write down. After that tell me, then I will explain same question but rounding off to nearest hundreds. After writing update me. Same question, but the question is round up to nearest hundreds. Okay, round up to nearest hundreds. Now 439 again, 334, 4317. As the question is round up to the nearest hundreds, now we will select in each part, you will select how many digits? Tell me quickly. In each part you will select how many digits? Very good, very good. Yes. Now Praveen, raise your hand so that I can unmute you. Praveen. Yes, unmute yourself, Praveen. Yes. Now tell me, the question is round up to the nearest hundreds. Now you will select how many digits?
Ma'am, last 2 digits 39.
Yes. Now you will compare 3 with 5 or 9 with 5?
3 with 5.
Yes. Now what about 3? 3 is bigger than 5 or smaller than 5?
Smallest 5.
Yes. Now if 3 is smaller than 5, is there any change in the immediately next digit?
No.
And selection change to 0. So this is 400. Very good. नहीं अग्रिम, मैंने अभी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन नहीं कराया. मैंने बोला तो है जर्नल रूल इसके बाद करवाऊंगी मैं. ओके. नाउ अदनान, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Now tell me, you will select how many digits here?
Ma'am, 2 because hundreds have 2 zeros.
Now you will compare which digit with 5, 3 with 5 or 4 with 5?
Ma'am, 3.
3 is less than 5. If the digit is less than 5, then is there any change in the immediately next digit?
Ma'am, no.
So this is 300. Good. Now, Gautam,
Yes, ma'am.
unmute yourself. Gautam, unmute yourself. unmute yourself. You raised hand now. Now look here.
मैम वो आंसर देना था।
हाँ जी बोलो बेटा, मैंने आपको तभी अनम्यूट किया है। टेल मी 4,300
मैम हम
select how many?
मैम हम 17 को सिलेक्ट करेंगे।
Very good. Then you will compare 1 with 5 or 7 with 5.
मैम 1 by 5।
1 is less than 5. Now, if digit is less than 5, then is there any change in the immediately next digit?
मैम नो मैम 4,300 आंसर।
Well done, well done. Now you will add. Now in the result, you will add. So what is the result? 400, 300, 40, 300. Addition. So this is the result 5,000. Okay. Now note down. All the sums are, you will solve all the sum like this. कोई भी sum है, based on addition, based on subtraction, based on multiplication or based on division, then first of all you will round off, keep in your mind. After that apply the given operation. वैसे कुछ बच्चे क्या करते हैं, इनको प्लस कर देंगे, बाद में राउंड ऑफ करेंगे, वो भी गलत नहीं है. But this is accurate. If the question is based on round off, then first of all you will round off each and every part. Round off first part, round off second part, round off third part. After that apply the given operation. Fine? Note down. After that I will explain C part to nearest hundreds. Okay? If you have done, update me, then I will explain C part. Round off to the nearest hundreds. Yes. Students, you have done. Then C part is $8,325 minus 491. The question is to the nearest hundreds. Okay, tens you will do by yourself. Nearest hundreds. So, anyone who want to reply? Amanpreet. No. First of all, Pavneet, unmute yourself. Pavneet, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Hello.
बेटा
मैम
टीवी चल रहा है आपके घर में?
एक्चुअली मैम वो मेरे कोई रिलेटिव आया था तो उनका फोन आया था एक्चुअली.
Okay, okay. Now tell me, round off to the nearest hundreds. Tell me, what is the first step?
मैम फर्स्ट वी विल सिलेक्ट 2 digits.
किसमें से? पहले आप इसको लिखो ना, पहले आप इसको लिखो इधर सेपरेशन में. 8,325 then 491. पहले लिखो, okay? अलग अलग करके. Now tell me selection. What about selection? You will select how many digits?
मैम 2.
Now you will compare 2 with 5 or 5 with 5.
मैम 2.
Now 2 is less than 5. If 2 is less than 5, then there will be change or there will be no change.
There will be no change.
So this is 83 and selection change to 0. अपने माइंड में फिट कर लो, जिसको आपने सेलेक्ट कर लिया, selection always change to 0. Okay. Now next we have 491. Now 9 is greater than 5. 9 is greater than 5. Then immediately next increased by 1. So this is 500. Now in the result, you will write, 8300 minus 500. Note down. Yes, good. After 1 minute, I will disconnect class and join again. All of you join again as second period also of maths. Fine. If you have done, then tell me, then I will disconnect class and you will join again. Good.